All right, we are here in East Portland going to the Aladdin Theater. We are going to go see the premiere of the brand new route, the Oregon BDR. Are you excited? I'm excited. Look who I got with me. I don't know if that's going to pick up on the wireless mic, but whatever.
Really funny.
Oh, I will do that. Actually, that'll be a good idea. And just have it be like the Peanuts teacher.
Dumbass.
Wobble wobble.
Yeah.
Wah wobble 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 wobble.
So we had to park about 10 blocks away just because Are you excited?
I'm excited to come do karaoke here after the movie.
Karaoke after the movie.
There it is.
We should do karaoke during the movie.
This bike's in the movie. It's famous.
Famous bike right there. Who's that? Who's that guy right there? We got a ton of people here for this thing. Lines all the way around the corner already. We're like 20 minutes early. The line is moving.
Ready?
Thank you.
How about you guys over here? Okay. Quick photo.
All right. Photo op time. Oh, it's warm in there. Oh, who's this? Who are these people? We've got a lot of people here from even from the BDR organization. Anna Thorne's here. We've got Tim. We've got Jocelyn Snow's here. They're getting ready to do the BDR live broadcast on YouTube right now. This place is crazy packed. Who's that guy? Who is that?
My wireless mic is just blasting out, so I'm probably going to have to do all kinds of editing wizardry just to make it work. Front row seats right up in front. They're getting ready to do the YouTube live stream right before the premiere of the Oregon BDR route. It is the 12th route, and it's the most anticipated, I think, because Oregon is the inspiration for the entire rideBDR organization. From the OG routes, like Route 5 is an OG route put on by the Oregon Off-Highway Vehicle Association. Those routes do still exist, but that route was the inspiration for this whole thing, and it's come full circle, and now we're in Oregon with an official rideBDR route.
And now 750 miles of adventure later, we're going to screen the film for the first time tonight, right?
It's crazy, and I, by the way, have not seen any of it. I've only seen the trailer, just like everyone else here, so.
A business here. Big round of applause for Ed Miller. Woo! I'll grab that mic and get up on him, man. So listen, the reason I wanted to bring you up, Ed, is because you're going to start in Oregon here a store that is dedicated to adventure riding.
Absolutely. Yeah, in Oregon City, we're opening up 3/1 on web and 4/1 April Fool's Day, no joke, for retail in Oregon City. XO_ADV.
That's right. So XO ADV, and then look for the shop where? What city?
Oregon City.
Oregon City as you're riding the Oregon BDR?
I'd open it up on the Oregon BDR if I can only know where it actually was.
Well, route release coming very soon. We'll just pretend like there's not a giant map in the lobby of the theater here.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And that's it. The Oregon BDR is now live at rideBDR.com/ORBDR. I want to thank everybody who tuned in. I want to thank all of our presenting and supporting sponsors. I want to thank my BDR teammates, Nathan Fenn. Ricky Ricardo Rodriguez. And Ashley Marley and the Moscow Moto team. You guys, we can't wait for you to ride this route. That's it. The Oregon BDR is live. Let's start the film.
Did you hear that? All right, so, oh my God, the lighting is horrible. Here we go. That lighting's way better. That was the film premiere, the documentary film premiere of the Backcountry Adventure. No, not at all. That was the film premiere of the new Oregon BDR route. Hope you guys had a good time. I am very much looking forward to riding this route this year. We're doing it in July. We're going to take 10 days to do it because we're going to be doing the X route also in the same trip. So that'll be interesting and fun. I already have my map pre-ordered and it's on the way. I'm going to download the GPX tracks the second I get home tonight. Thanks for hanging out. This has been an Explore Adventure Moto production. Stay airy.